Hello friends, so this is Neeraj Kumar. I am Neeraj Kumar and I have written the book called The Lexicon, and it is increasingly being considered as the milestone book. You can call it as a reference book. And recently I have also penned Vade Mekam. That book is also based for ethics student. In that book I have also dealt issues related to your polity part, and you can say that Vade Mekam and Lexicon are like two books which can be considered as a must having books on your bookshelf if you are preparing for your civil services. So again, hello future bureaucrats. I call you future bureaucrat for the simple reason that you all are preparing for an examination which takes you to the zenith of achievement, and that is the highest echelon of bureaucracy. Okay, so like your future bureaucrat, and to attain success you do not only need facts. Okay, you have innumerable amount of facts, but those facts must be converted into knowledge. And here I am not sounding too complicated or esoteric. Basically this conversion process is a very suffocating as well as enlightening at the same time. Okay, so basically this conversion happens when you assimilate various facts, you appreciate, and then you transform. You transform these facts into your systemic existence. All these facts and more I would be discussing in an inaugural class that I would be taking particularly for my students of Northeast, all the 7 sisters, Nagaland, Manipur, Tripura, Mizoram, Meghalaya, and Arunachal and Assam. All those beautiful portion of our India with full of landscape beauty, divine beauty. I would be taking classes, an inaugural class, that in that class I would be discussing issues related to UPSC in general. I know that you people face a lot as far as your PT preparation is concerned. PT cracking becomes an issue, and because of that you leave your preparation midway or you start concentrating on your state PCS. Why you are not aiming for the stars when you have this option? Always aim for the stars and always aim for only stars. You do not have to degrade yourself to, like as we say in our popular maxim, aim for the star, at least you would be landing on moon. No, why moon? Aim for the stars. Okay, and in that particular inaugural session I would be discussing issues related to your PT preparation, what are the categories of questions that comes, the importance of newspaper reading, and one more thing that I have come across from students from my Northeast batches. They say that economics for them is also an issue in inverted commas. They do not understand the jargon of economics. See, economics has been made complicated by economists. Inflation. What is inflation? It is a very simple terminology where like you have more amount of money chasing less amount of goods. So basically money becomes cheap. And what does inflation do? Even 1% rise in inflation basically curtails that girl child education in a poor family, or maybe it basically cuts up one sabji from the platter of a poor person. Ask that rickshaw wala. Okay, inflation, deflation, stagflation, monetary financing, deficit financing, fiscal policy, all these things have become very important as far as recent pandemic has happened. Economics is a very philosophical subject. In that subject you have sociological angle, cultural angle. Okay, all of a sudden we say that one study has been done by Economist. In that, Economist is a famous magazine published from UK. In that magazine they have basically considered this fact that how the length of a girl's skirt reduces as economy basically moves in direction of stagnancy. So what is the relation between the length of skirt of a girl and economic development? It's a very cultural, it's a very sociological, it's a very humane subject. Okay, so I would be discussing economics. In that I would be taking budget, economic survey, and basically I would be trying to delve these particular things which are very important. Hope that we meet in that inaugural session, like it would be free and free in every context. My time would also not be limited, it would be free, and you all are invited. So please do join me, and thanks for your time. Hope I would be seeing you in hordes of number in my inaugural class. Thank you.